Software for Educators, Chapter 3, by Hannah Brewer and Andrew Velichka. Copyright and fair use. Copyright is a legal device that provides the creator of a work of art or literature, or a work that conveys information or ideas, the right to control how the work is used. Fair use is a legal doctrine that portions of copyrighted materials may be used without permission of the copyright owner, provided the use is fair and reasonable, does not substantially impair the value of the materials, and does not curtail the profits reasonably expected by the owner. What can be copyrighted? Anything that is tangible and are original expressions. And there are three fundamental requirements. 1, fixation. 2, originality, and 3, minimal creativity. In order for a copyrighted work to be considered fair use, the individual must weigh 4 factors. 1, the purpose and character of the use. 2, the nature of the copyrighted work. 3, the amount and substantiality of the portion used. And 4, the effect of use on the potential market for the copyrighted work. Software can be categorized into 2 main types: system software and application software. System software consists of programs that control the operations of the computer and its devices. It also serves as the interface between you, the user, your application software, and your computer's hardware. One type of system software, known as the operating system, contains instructions that coordinate all of the activities of the hardware devices in a computer. A standalone operating system is a complete operating system that works on a desktop computer, notebook computer, or mobile computing device. 2 examples of currently used standalone operating systems are Microsoft Windows and Mac OS X. Microsoft Windows is the most popular in the market today, and its newest version is Windows 8. Mac OS X is only available for computers manufactured by Apple, and its latest version is Mac OS X Mavericks. An embedded operating system is the operating system on mobile devices and many consumer electronics, and it resides on an internal chip rather than a hard drive. 3 popular embedded operating systems include Apple's iOS, Google Android, and BlackBerry OS. Apple's iOS, previously known as iPhone OS, is developed by Apple and used on the iPad, iPod Touch, iPhone, and Apple TV. Google Android is designed by Google for mobile devices. BlackBerry OS is developed by Research in Motion for BlackBerry's line of smartphones. Google's Chrome OS is one emerging operating system that has the potential to revolutionize computing. It is designed to work exclusively with web-based and cloud-based applications and to run on Chromebook computers. A user interface controls how you enter data or instructions and how information is presented on the screen. A graphical user interface, or GUI, also pronounced GUI, is one of the more common user interfaces, and it combines text, graphics, and other visual cues to make software easier to use. Application software consists of programs designed to perform specific tasks for users. Also called application programs, application software can be used for the following purposes: as a productivity business tool, assisting with graphics and multimedia projects, supporting school and professional activities, helping home and personal activities, and facilitating communications. The process of using application software is made up of a variety of other terms, including the desktop, for example, which is an on-screen work area that uses common graphical elements such as icons, buttons, windows, menus, and dialog boxes to make it easy and intuitive for users to interact with the computer. An icon is a small image that represents a program, an instruction, or some other object. A button is a graphical element, usually a rectangular or circular shape, that when selected causes a specific action to take place. Commands are instructions that cause a computer program to perform a specific action. A window is a rectangular area of the screen that is used to display a program, data, and/or information. The top of each window has a title bar, which is a horizontal space that contains the window's name. A file is a named collection of data. such as a document, a program, or a set of data used by a program. To distinguish among various files, you assign each file a file name, which is a unique set of letters, numbers, and/or characters that identifies a file. While using software applications, you have the ability to create, edit, format, print, and save documents. A document is a piece of work created with an application and saved on a storage medium with a unique file name. Creating a document involves developing the document by entering text or numbers, designing graphics, and performing other tasks using an input device such as a keyboard or mouse. Editing is the process of making changes to the document's existing content, and formatting involves changing the appearance of a document. While working on a document, you should save the work frequently so that it does not get lost. Saving is the process of copying a document from memory to a storage medium, such as a USB flash drive or hard disk. Many applications have auto-save feature that automatically saves open documents at specified time periods. Printing is the process of sending a file to a printer to generate output on a medium, such as a paper. Oftentimes, when you instruct a program to perform an activity such as printing, a dialog box opens. A dialog box is a special window displayed by a program to provide information, present available options, or request a response using command buttons, option buttons, text boxes, and check boxes. Many software applications support voice recognition and note-taking software as well. Voice recognition is the computer's capability of distinguishing spoken words. Note-taking software enables users to enter typed text, handwritten comments, graphs, drawings, or sketches anywhere on a page and then save the page as part of an electronic notebook. Productivity software is designed to make people more effective and efficient while performing daily activities. One of the more widely used application software is word processing software, which is used to create, edit, and format documents that consist primarily of text. Millions of people every day use word processing software to create documents such as letters, memos, reports, fax cover sheets, mailing labels, and newsletters. The more popular word processing programs used in schools today are Microsoft Word, Apple iWork, formerly called Apple Works, and Microsoft Works. By acquiring solid word processing skills, teachers can increase their productivity significantly by using word processing software to create written documents such as lesson plans, handouts, parent communications, and student tests. Most word processing software also can incorporate graphics. For example, you can enhance your document by adding a border, a decorative line or pattern along one or more edges of a page or graphic. Clip art can also be used, which is a collection of drawings, diagrams, and photographs that can be inserted in other documents. If you want to use clip art not included in your word processing software package, you can import the clip art into a Word document from another source like a website. When creating a Word document, you can define the margins, the portion of the page outside the main body of text, on the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the paper. Scrolling is the process of moving different portions of the document into view on the screen. Spell checker is used to review the spelling of words used in a document. Some other popular features of a word processing document include header and footer, template, and wizard or assistant. A header is a text you want at the top of each page, whereas a footer is a text you want at the bottom. A template is a document that contains the formatting necessary for a specific document type, and a wizard, or assistant, is an automated tool that helps you complete a task by asking you questions and then automatically performing actions based on your answers. Spreadsheet software is another widely used software application, which allows you to organize numeric data in rows and columns called a spreadsheet. A cell is the intersection of a column and row. The text, or label, entered in a cell is used to identify the data and help organize the spreadsheet. Frequently, spreadsheet cells contain a number or a value. A formula performs calculations on the numeric data in the spreadsheet, whereas charts graphically illustrate the relationship of the numeric data. A database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows access, retrieval, and use of that data. Database software allows you to create a computerized database, add, change, and delete data, sort and retrieve data, and create forms and reports using the data in the database. A database file is a collection of related data that is organized in records. Each record contains a collection of related facts called fields. A field is the smallest unit of information you can access in a database. Using presentation graphics software, you can create documents called presentations, which you then use to communicate ideas, messages, and other information to a group, such as a class or people in an auditorium. These presentations can be viewed as slides that are displayed on a large monitor or projected onto a screen. Typical presentation programs used in schools include Apple iWork, Keynote, and Microsoft PowerPoint. In a presentation, you can incorporate objects from ClipArt Image Gallery, which includes clipart images, pictures, videos, and audio files. A slide sorter allows you to arrange the slides in any order or display them one at a time. Presentation graphics programs are important software programs for K-12 schools. Teachers can create and integrate electronic presentations into any classroom curriculum as an exciting alternative to the traditional lecture-only teaching style. It also presents information in a non-linear format, unlike using common overhead transparencies. A Personal Information Manager, or PIM, is a software application installed on smartphones that includes an appointment calendar, address book, notepad, and other features to help you organize personal information such as appointments, task lists, and more. An appointment calendar allows you to schedule activities for a particular day and time. An address book can store and maintain names, addresses, and telephone numbers. You can use a notepad feature instead of writing on a piece of paper to record ideas, reminders, and other important information. One smartphone feature allows users to synchronize or transfer information and programs from a smartphone to a personal computer or vice versa. This process is also known as syncing. A web application, or web app, is an application that allows users to access and interact with software from any computer or device that is connected to the internet, which is sometimes called cloud computing. An app, also called mobile app, is a program you can download and use primarily on your mobile device. Users often interact with web applications directly at the website, referred to as the host, through their web browser. The largest difference between the two is that web applications are usually multi-purpose programs, whereas mobile apps are generally single-purpose programs, such as a weather app or a coupon app. A software suite is a collection of individual application software packages sold as a single package. The most popular suite used in businesses, universities, and K-12 schools is Microsoft Word and is available for both PCs and Macs. It is available in a number of versions such as Home and Student, Home and Business, Professional, and the subscription-based Office 365. Another popular suite is called Apple iWork, formerly known as AppleWorks, containing word processing, spreadsheets, and presentation software. iWork apps are now free on every Mac computer and mobile device as well. Desktop publishing, or DTP, software allows you to design, produce, and deliver sophisticated documents that contain text, graphics, and brilliant colors. Although many word processing packages have some of the capabilities of DTP software, professional designers and graphic artists use DTP software because it is designed specifically to support page layout. DTP software is ideal for the production of high-quality color documents such as newsletters, marketing literature, catalogs, and annual reports. Even home, school, and small business users can use easy-to-understand DTP software programs such as Microsoft Publisher to create newsletters, brochures, postcards, greeting cards, business cards, calendars, and more. Graphic artists, multimedia professionals, desktop publishers, and many others use Paint software and image editing software to create and modify graphics. Paint software allows you to draw pictures, shapes, and other graphics using various tools on the screen such as a pen, brush, eyedropper, or paint bucket. Image editing software provides the capabilities of Paint software as well as the capability of modifying existing graphics. One popular type of image editing software, called photo editing software, allows you to edit digital photographs by removing red eye, adding special effects, or creating electronic photo albums. Multimedia authoring software is used to create electronic presentations, simulations, and software demonstrations that can include text, graphics, video, audio, animation, and screen captures. Many multimedia authoring software programs are available. However, two are most popularly used by educators. Those two are Camtasia Studio and Adobe Captivate. A video consists of full motion images played back at various speeds. With video editing software, you can modify a segment of a video called a clip. The most popular programs used by educators include iMovie, iLife, Movie Maker, and Final Cut. Web page authoring software is designed specifically to help you create web pages in addition to organizing, managing, and maintaining websites.
Schools at least need to have one computer that is networked in each classroom with student management software. This can improve schools' abilities to manage and analyze daily operations such as budgets and student information dramatically. School management software is a centralized program that allows district and school personnel to manage the school district operations such as budgeting, inventory, technology, and expenses. And student management software is also a centralized program that allows administrators, teachers, and other staff to track students' information, whether it's attendance or academic records. Gradebook software allows teachers to track and organize students' tests, homework, labs, and other scores. Um, This software can also track thousands of students and hundreds of assignments. It also applies to plenty of grading options such as grading curves, adjusting letter grade, uh, custom grade cutoffs, or a custom grading scale. A popular program that would be included to my right, in the right corner of the power slide, would be InGrade. Education software application refers to computers, software products used to support teaching and learning on subject-related content. Um, it also is designed specifically for K through 12 in the learning environment. This application has also increased over the past few years. CAI, also known as Computer Assisted Information, has been in the education world for over 2 decades. This software is designed to help teach facts, information, and other skills associated with subject-related materials. It is a basic level that helps computer enhance instruction as well. Drill and practice, also known as skills reinforcement software, first supplies factual information and then through repetitive exercises allow students to continue to work on specific materials to remember or memorize the information. Uh, it also helps the students grasp the content being taught, which is a lot easier and makes it more effective on the students, which also gives instant feedback on correct or incorrect answers. Educational games is a set of rules that students compete against each other or the game itself. It's also an effective way to teach content, so it makes it easier on the students to learn. Tutorials is a teaching program designed to help individuals learn to grasp the concepts and or the product. It's also designed to help tutor or instruct on the information needing to be taught. It's also a linear approach with specific content examples to a non-linear approach. Education simulation, also known as a video game that is computerized of real life that represents a physical or simulated process, is very unique and can change the conditions and decisions based on the criteria provided. Using simulation is a new teaching strategy in today's day and age with all this technology. Interests that would be drawn to this education simulation would be example as in SimCity, that popular computer game where you can build cities and all that kind of stuff. Integrated Learning System is a sophisticated software program that is usually developed by an established educational software corporation. It is provided by Student Diagnostic Data. It also offers comprehensive management and open learning system or advanced learning that includes software titles from leading publishers. Creativity usually has students start with a blank canvas, which allows them to use their imagination. They also would have control over the design, graphics, and path they create. Some software apps included in this creativity would be Photoshop or Microsoft Publisher. Critical thinking is an objective analysis and evaluation of formal judgment. It also stimulates students, which allows them to use their critical thinking skills. Critical thinking will also help you solve the solution to the problem. Early learning applications are designed to provide students in grades pre-K to third grade with a developmental start in reading, language arts, math, science, and other curriculum areas. This also is an engaging way in a wide variety of activities. Some applications include Sticky Bear, Math House, etc. ESI and foreign language provides students K through 12 with assistance in learning English and other languages. It also enables to practice their skills in a non-threatening environment. Some applications include Rosetta Stone, Jumpstart, or Spanish. Language Arts is available for all grade levels. Language Arts also supports student learning throughout the reading and writing process. It also tries to engage students, encouraging to learn critical thinking skills. Some applications include That Spelling is Right and Clicker 5. Mathematics helps students master basic and complex mathematics and are available for all grade levels. Math includes skill practice and problem-solving activities, which makes it easier for you to learn and get better at math. Some applications include GoSolve series and GeoMeter's Sketchpad. Science is available for all grade levels and assists students in learning a wide variety of science concepts. Digital media science applications can assist students in mastering difficult or abstract concepts by providing visual representations. Some applications include I Love Silence and Amazing Human Body. Social studies tends to lead to higher order thinking skills. It also provides reinforcement facts or defines its own path. Some social study applications include the Oregon Trail and the 3D World Atlas. Social studies tends to lead to higher order thinking skills. It also provides reinforcement facts and or defines your own path. Social studies applications include the Oregon Trail and the 3D World Atlas. Special needs software, also known as assistive technology software, is designed specifically for students with physical impairments or learning disabilities to assist them in completing school assignments and everyday tasks. It also includes speech synthesis software for special needs, which includes text enlargement programs, talking calculators, and more to help the special needs. Personal finance software is a simplified accounting program that helps you pay bills, balance checkbooks, track income and expenses such as credit card bills, track investments, evaluate financial plans, and maintain home inventory. Personal finance software also helps determine where and for what purpose you are spending money so you can manage your finances. Online banking also offers access to account balances, provides bill payment services, and allows you to download transaction statements from web to computer. Some popular software programs in this area of study is Quicken and Microsoft Money. Tax preparation software guides individuals, families, or small businesses through the process of filing federal taxes. Applications include TurboTax, TAC ACT, and TaxCut. Legal software assists on the preparation of legal documents and provides legal advice to individuals, families, and small businesses. It also provides standard contracts and documents associated with buying, selling, and renting property. Entertainment software includes interactive games, videos, and other programs designed to support a hobby or just provide amusement and enjoyment to most people. Online help is electronically equivalent to a user manual. It also helps provide assistance without frustrations. Most online help also links to websites that offer web-based help. Trade books are available to help you learn to use features of software application packages. Some software versions include Microsoft and PowerPoint. Most schools don't upgrade their software each time unless it's a new computer and/or computers. Most faculty and/or teachers have different years or versions. One teacher can have Word 2016, for example, and another one can have Microsoft Word 2010. It just depends on what the teacher has and what the school has. Microsoft Office 2007 introduced new file formats called Microsoft Office Open XML formats. Popular versions would be Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. For Word, it would be period docx. For Excel, it would be period xlsx. And for PowerPoint, it would be .pptx.